guess where we are today?
Coming out to Houston Raceway here in Baytown,
Houston
Texas,
Raceway Park. We got our buddy Flash, his Trans Am. We got Travis's McLaren, Juan Rivera's Trans Am, all turbo cars. We are at Quick30, Houston Raceway Park. This is basically a private event, but it is open to spectators, it looks like. So we're going to have some fun walking around, but for the most part, they should be able to get in, do some passes, dial in cars, and get everything rolling. Of course, my car's not ready yet, but at least we can have some fun and film some of the other Trans Ams from Houston here. The one and only Flashws6. It's going to be a big day. Mexico Racing League.
Let me put some glasses on so I look cool. Edit that out of the video.
Their diapers. They said they forgot to bring you your diapers for today.
No diapers.
No diapers for you, huh?
No diapers. Oh, yeah.
Oh, they did.
Backstory: we just had a baby about a month ago.
Okay.
Just in case it gets too real and you shit yourself.
So you don't have to worry about the track. We'll make sure it is well prepped for you guys. Make sure you have your safety gear on. You never know what could happen. Get a little fluid down there, come off the car or something, and make it a hard lift into the wall.
What all did you change, Brian?
We just changed the hot side. We're running the new Hooker hot side. Made a little bit more power.
You got it rewired too, right?
Yeah, we rewired it. Hopefully we can get some data logs out of it.
Other than that, nothing's different. Same turbo, same motor,
same trans, everything else. So we'll probably make a couple different converter changes to it. After today, we just got to see where it's at and see what it does.
Yeah. The plan is to test, dial it in, see if he needs any changes, and see how fast we can get today. Hope we can make some decent passes. And then we got Hayden, Mr. Hayden. All right, let's do some B-roll. Full send? First pass? Oh man.
Precision.
It'll either be a short day or a good day.
I need a
Mexico Racing League.
I guess I need to apply the same concept when I go racing. I like to baby into it, but what's the point, I guess, huh?
We're here for a good time, not a long time.
That's a good point. Good point.
Specialty builds track with like a
think that's so much
We got
20.
Travis. What's up, Travis? How are you?
Bone stock.
Where's it doesn't look like a Fox body. It's gone? You sold it.
Gotta get it staged.
The roller?
Realizes they gotta pull up.
And now you're into a McLaren.
It's double bulbs, turns out the top
Can't
bulb.
beat that. Is it like sipping coffee when you drive it, like compared to the Fox body, or? Yeah.
I'm coming from solid motor mounts.
Yeah,
all that
something.
to this. So
So many creature comforts on this thing. That's funny. what's the plan for today for Juan's Trans Am? Juan? Yeah, that's the plan. Is there a time attached to that, or?
Went 9.7s last time, so.
Oh, so you had the 9s.
All right, dude.
Why are you not on my list?
Coming up in
So what's the slowest time on my list? Oh, I think they're all 8-second cars. So. It might be a 9-1. Okay.
My job is to get on that list. Let's get on that list.
All right then. We'll be watching. You got the tires. You got the tire to do it. You got the power. It's a turbo car, right?
Yeah.
Twin, single.
Single.
How big?
80.
8. Oh. Yeah.
Let's go 30 pounds and let's get there.
Let's do it. So we got the McLaren, we got the blue Trans Am, and we got Flashws Trans Am. And there's other people coming up here, but I don't recognize any of them. So we're gonna focus on these 3 cars today, find out what they can put down. Hopefully everything goes smooth, no one breaks, and we go fast.
Owen Priest coming up in the house.
First, everything has to be detected. So sorry if you can hear all the windows. It's kind of breezy out here, but yeah, first things first, got to get all the cars detected. Clearing this. I don't know where Luna is, but I think he's maybe checked in already. If you guys could only smell what's coming out of there, it smells so good. What's coming out of there?
I don't even remember. We changed it so much.
It smells like Q. God, it smells so good.
Owen Priest and the Hellcat. Got the parachute on the back.
So there you have it, off the trailer, newish setup, bunch of changes, clicks off to 8 to 171. Not bad, not bad at all. Faster than I've ever been, so I can't say shit, right? But, man, not bad at all, dude. We're gonna see if they need to make any changes. It looks like he did pedal or lift towards the end. Either he got squirrely or it didn't feel all right to him, whatever the case may be. But let's go find out and see if we can make another play. We got Travis up with the McLaren.
If you're looking for a really good pass.
Looks like you caught him. Oh.
Jessica runs 11:01 to the 10:26.
139. 10-2.
I'm gonna think about a 30-minute break at noon.
How pumped are you right now?
Extremely pumped.
Yeah?
But it's fucking hot as hell.
Are you ready?
I'm ready.
You gonna see a badass pass?
I see a badass pass.
All right, counting on it.
All right, third pass of the day for Roy Hawk.
Oh, look who came! Who decided to show up? Just in time for your boy to make a pass.
Yeah.
Did you even get to look at the tune at all? Oh, you're not even here to work, are you? Oh, you are. It's good. It's good to go. So we got some issues with the burnout, but we'll see. Hopefully the track's sticky enough. We'll see if we can hook it up. 9.8. 141. Not bad, not bad.
And the Corvette goes a 989 to the 1020
around the
of the Chevy 2.
The smell of the rubber, the fuel,
Chevy 2 had the
cars,
starting line advantage
exhaust,
of 106.60.
everything.
Corvette was
It
an 830.
is motivating, to say the least. I mean, I am by far motivated to get my car back up and running.
Appreciate everybody coming out to the
right here.
Texas Speed
Making it.
Syndicate.
It's not recording, I promise.
I've heard that before.
Blur my face out.
What's
And I ended up on somebody's OnlyFans.
what's that Matt Black thing over there?
Matt Black. Oh, Andy's little helmet?
Oh, is that Andy's?
Yeah. We've decided that he hasn't gotten into the 8s, so the least we can do is get his helmet into the 8s for him.
What's that thing at, Richard? Let's take a look at it. What are the chances that Andy sees that back?
Very unlikely. I think I'll just buy him a new one. Maybe pink.
Buy him a new one.
Yeah.
Just tell him you lost it.
Oh yeah, I'll tell him we lost it.
Yeah, buddy, you ain't never getting that back. Basically, we're just waiting for lunch to be over, and we can make another pack. It looks like Flash, you're almost ready, huh?
Yeah, as soon as lunch is over, we're gonna make another hit, see what it does, and just go from there.
Plan. Everyone's doing something. I'm just hanging out. It looks like everyone's trying to get into Flash's computer here and make some adjustments. Track went hot, so round 2. Here we go.
Hey Juan, push those two switches, not the red one, the other two.
This one? Yeah, I did something. Push the switches. You heard that, right?
Get it in the lane.
You heard it.
I want to see some 7-second passes.
Y'all heard that, right?
Yeah.
Y'all heard that.
Calling
just-
you out on the 7-second pass.
He just clicked off 817, fastest car on the property.
See in the right
Gonna
lane.
see. If not, Juan will do it.
Nice launch.
Yeah.
134.60 foot.
Sure. Wishful thinking.
And it was a 586.
The fastest of the day.
No,
That's horrible.
I think.
that Ford went
It
817.
went 817. Yeah.
About to go 812.
All right.
So we were just picking on him about it.
Is the track holding okay for you?
Oh, great. Great so far. So great, he needs to turn it up.
Yeah.
Open up the CO2 a little more.
Yeah, that's how some people regulate.
No
booze.
bullshit.
Yeah.
No bullshit.
Yeah, I don't want to call out any names, but people like Matt Sorin, that's how they regulate.
Here we go again.
That's
He
how they
is all
regulate
about
booze
it.
on
He is all-
Alltech ECU.
He's all about Matt Sorian today. You keep cussing, I can't post it.
Oh, sorry.
You want to go ahead and do it again? Do
Yeah,
it.
sure. Hey, look, everybody, this is a worldwide call out
Oh, man.
for all the Bullet WS6 fans.
The whole 10
on-
fans.
Yeah, on Matt Sorin and his camp. I want whatever car they have, the fastest cars that they have. We will be at 2K, roll, dig, street, track, don't matter. You name how much and we'll run you.
Oh, man. There you have it. It's done. I've never heard anybody be so sad about an 8.2 at 170-something miles per hour. What the hell? No. I thought that was a hell of a thing. We got Juan coming up next.
Down there on the return road,
Oh.
grandstands with the golf
He let out right before, I guess it didn't shift, did it? It's still around 10-3?
The Ranger and the golf cart down there need to be running this side of the fence.
And now Lashley.
Put it to the right side behind the OG ambulance. There got a little bit of a sketchy start.
10-3. 138.
The nine. All right, I want to give a big shout out to MS Tuning.
Huh?
It wants more power.
On the lawn?
Oh, hell yeah. That's
Okay, so what do we do? Cut the rim?
Haltech,
Make it
the Holly,
leave on more?
Bowtech.
Because it's like as soon as I hit, like it just boom, and then it fucking goes, but then it still falls off on the big end.
Oh.
So half taking it the whole way, you know, we're still running 820, but it's there.
Man, it's there, yeah, dude. It's there, that's for sure. It's frustrating, but
You got it built by North Texas.
I can't believe so many disappointed people are running it. I was the only one like, yeah! Everybody else hung their head at it. It's crazy to me. Crazy.
Also
What?
want to say,
Ran a 10-3, you didn't shift to third, did you?
Performance and off-road.
I mean, you did, but the trans didn't?
149,
Yeah, I figured.
7506 out of Rowlett, Texas.
Oh, God, no. Wow.
We got a blow on.
It was a semi-successful day. I thought it was a successful day. I would have been happy, but, you know, people have other goals. You know, so Flash, I know for sure, is heading the right way. Juan just needs to get that trans fixed because this car's moving. That going's right. That's going right. And Travis, Clarence. So that's it for us. Leave it here. We got another stop to make.
Dodge Demon is
Let's get going.